Mastering the present perfect. Linking past actions to present results. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the present perfect tense. We're specifically focusing on using this tense to talk about past actions with present results. So buckle up, and let's enrich your English grammar skills. The present perfect tense is formed using have or has, plus the past participle of a verb. Verb plus ed are the third form of the verb for irregular verbs. We use this tense when we want to link something that happened in the past to the present moment. This might sound a bit confusing, so let's break it down with examples. I have eaten breakfast today. She has finished her work. In these sentences, the actions, eating breakfast and finishing work, started in the past but are relevant to the current moment. Now, let's see how to use the present perfect tense to discuss past actions that have an impact on the present. Imagine you've painted a picture. You started and finished this activity in the past. The result, your painting, exists in the present. You can express this using the present perfect tense. I have painted a picture. Here are a few more examples to make this concept clearer. He has lost his keys. He doesn't have them now. They have bought a new car. They have it now. We have cleaned the house. The house is clean now. Each of these sentences expresses an action that was completed in the past but is relevant to the present situation. We can also form negative sentences and questions in the present perfect tense. For negative sentences, we add not between have, has, and the past participle. I have not seen the movie yet. She has not done her homework. For questions, we swap have, has, and the subject. Have you seen the movie yet? Has she done her homework? These sentences still connect past actions to the present. That wraps up our discussion on using the present perfect tense for past actions with present results. It's a fascinating part of English grammar that allows us to express complex time relationships. Practice creating your own sentences using this tense, and before long, you'll have mastered it. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.